Swarm Watch, June 2020. Will they go into the Green Bait Hive? Will they go into the Blue Bait Hive? Or are they going to just disappear and go somewhere else? It's working! We are 4 for 4 in bait hives now. Look at the activity there. Wow. They're all over the sky and they're making their way into the Green Bait Hive. So, our hive swarmed and now we've been able to recapture it. Here's a good view right above me, just all those little black dots. Honeybees that have just come out of a tree that they were in for 2.5 days, making their way to their new home. Oh, I'm so happy this worked. That's awesome.